Hello and welcome to my channel, Christina. I just wanted to show you how I do my hair. Since I don't have dreadlocks anymore, I just went backwards where I used to do my own hair because I don't like anybody doing my hair because I am a dresser. I know how to do hair. So I can do mine perfect because I'm always before I put the dreadlocks, someone disappointed me, didn't do my hair the way I wanted it. So I I put dreads myself. So I've been having dreadlocks for 7 years since 2017. And then I destroyed it to my own. I did put a lot of things and it never be the same again. So recently I look at it and I say, no, Christian, you didn't to change this hairstyle. That's why I shaved. I was thinking of having a small dreadlocks, but I saved it. So when I reached a point, I started combing one. And then I said it was easy to comb all of it. So I combed all my hair and I finished. So I've been having my hair for the last 1 month. My natural hair is so hard. Uh, but what should I do? That's how it is. I just leave it like that. But I know how to make my own hair because I'm a dresser, and I just wanted to show you how you can braid on yourself. I have many style how to fix your hair to the last one. Even the backward, if you continue to watch the video, you can see how I make it in the back of my hair because now I'm making the front, and you can see I can I can do it better. Okay, I just wanted to show you. I just wanted to have a video so if you're a beginner and you have no you're starting to do your hair yourself, just wanted to show you how you can do it. Yeah, I just this are fucked. They are this simple this hair is from Kenya, and it's a rocks, but I like it. I just have to separate it to be smaller because I wanted to finish to the head, but I decided I do a little bit because my hair is short. I just wanted to do a half so I can leave some without braided. You can see at the if you can continue watching, you see where one part I've made like 4 5 braids. I had finished them. I had twisted. I have braided, but I don't want to make too much on my hair because it's too hot right now. So I decided let me do big and leave some part of her hair so it can cover other parts. So if you continue watching, don't skip, watch it slowly so you can learn. If you want to make your own hair, it's a simple way to make it and look good. You can see by the pictures, it's so good. I really managed to do it for 3 hours. Yeah, because I was doing a half, so it didn't take long to finish. So I will review to wash at the hand because I can't continue talking while I'm doing this. Okay, I will let's bring back again. Okay, this is another part where I'm showing you the remaining part. You can see I don't see what I'm doing in my head, okay? That is the work I do when I don't see it. I'm breathing myself and I don't look what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. So that is what I'm showing you. You can trust yourself, believe in yourself. Yes. And you can see that when I'm making it myself, you can see it. It's very good. As it is your own head, you can braid many types, many ways, as long as you fix all your hair. It doesn't matter. You twist, you braid from the start. What matters, it come out perfect. So keep on watching. You will see my job at last. You have to see how I'm doing it. Don't just skip to the last one. Just keep watching and just hear how I do it. Okay, as I told you, that is the type of hair I'm using. Yes, I'm dividing a 4 parts or 5. It depends how big it is. And now you can see I'm doing it. I'm doing it myself. I'm doing it backward. As I taking this video, I don't see what I'm doing. I'm just doing with my hair, my hands, and the comb, and putting some oil. Yeah, so my scalp will not be dry. So as you see how much are remaining. It didn't took me long time to do it. Yes, and you can see I had another pattern of doing it backward because it's so hard to make to braid it at the back of the hair. So I use another technique, which if you're a beginner and you are someone who makes their hair themselves, and when you reach at the end of your head, your back, you don't know how to do it. This is how you can do it. I'm teaching you so you can do it on yourself. Yes, look at how it is. It's coming out good. Yeah, you can teach yourself. Me, I've been braiding for the rest of my life. It's because I did some braid and I stopped braiding. But now I have my natural hair and I don't like my hair like that. You can see how and it is. It's like steel wire. It's so difficult. I don't like my hair when it's like that. So that's why I wanted to braid. And right now it's so hot I cannot have a wig or a weave on. So the braids are perfect. So continue watching the head and you see how much I've done it complete. Okay. No. Continue watching. I will upload part 2 where I finished doing my hair. So this is the first step of doing it. You can see how I'm breathing. I'm just showing you if you're a beginner and you're also making your own hair. This is how you can do it. Perfect. And nobody will notice the difference, how you made it. So continue watching and thanks for watching. I'm glad to have you as my YouTube family. Be blessed. Wait for part 2, the finished one.